we have some canceling and abortion commands. Because I defined this message box, so first let's go and make a user form and work on that. Then I will talk about exit for and jumping from outside of the macro as an example. So I remove that and create a user form. Let's say if user clicked on close, we want to ask, would you like to exit or not? I double click on the form and default event it is click. No, I want when user trying to close it. So I choose a query close event, which it is closing try. And as you see, we have some parameters as close mode and cancel, which we're looking for. So in this case, when user trying to close the form, first let's make a message box, and of course we need the result, then let's say btn as byte, and btn equal message box, and because it is not the only command here, we have open parentheses, I just type prompt, just make it short. Are you sure you want to exit? Comma, underscore, and make space here. Okay, I say title this time, exit, and comma, underscore, buttons, VB, maybe just yes, no, plus, maybe critical or question could be, and close the parentheses. Alright, when we're running the form, when closing, ask, are you sure you want to exit? Yes or no. Of course, for yes, you don't need to write any code because it's gonna close and continue. But if it's not, you could actually cancel it very simply. I say if, allow me to go very first, if btn equal VB no, then I could make it inline, but just to be cleaner, I make a block, and if, and then what's happened, cancel equal true. As you see here, it is integer, but you could simply say true or use 1. Let's try. Yes, of course, gonna close, but if I press no, canceling will gonna work and the form won't stop. And note that sometimes we have several forms or other objects loaded, and instead of hiding that or even unloading them, you want to immediately close or terminate your program. In this case, allow me to make a button, command button, and I want to make it end for title. If you want to finish the whole running program, you could simply write, allow me to go to the procedure mode, simply type end. This command will end everything. Allow me to run the form. If I press end, it will terminate and close everything. So this command, without asking, without controlling, just gonna finish the whole running forms or any program.